which we have used sample store, right. So, I want to go with this, okay. Sorry, I will reduce little bit. Okay. So, I am using the another previous my data, sales data. Okay. Now, different types of data type. What are the difference of data type we have? So, take anything. So, what I will do? I will take profit in text. Okay. Okay, that is not required actually. I will go to the data source only order. Okay. Now, I want to know the types of what are the types of data type we have in Tableau software. So, can you see that the first one, what is that? What is the icon? Hash icon. Hash means it will be the numeric data type. Okay. The next one you have ABC. ABC indicates, please have a look here guys. So, ABC indicates what? A string data type, right. Then you can see that what is that? Calendar icon. Calendar icon means date. Another type you have which is date. Same calendar, same this one, same you have ABC, and next one you can see that you have something globe icon, right. So, this is nothing, is a graphical or geography, you can say that geography data type. So, one data type is also geography. And you have another, like one is Boolean type, you will be having Boolean, that is true and false, right. So, if you want to know further like what are the data types we have, type is there, right, the right click, it will show you that all the types of data type. You can see that number. So, number either you take decimal or it is a exact number, right, integer number. So, both will be considered as a number only. Next, date time or date, next a string and Boolean, and last one you can see that you have geographic, right. So, how many data types? One number, date, date time, okay, then Boolean, a string and geography. Total 6 different data type we have in the Tableau software. Clear? Clear guys? So, even you can look at here. Now, you all try now and let me know the result.